What's up, viewers of YouTube, and good evening. My name's Tyler of Chico Crypto Consultants, here to break down a little bit of crypto news for you guys. Pretty interesting, well, not so interesting week if you think about it. The China ban is pretty much ongoing, or temporary ban, or whatever you guys want to call it, because actually nobody really freaking knows. Is going on. There wasn't one announcement about the temporary ban of ICOs, and then there was another article posted that basically said China was going to halt fiat to virtual digital currency exchanges, which wasn't confirmed by any government. It was just an article. Then that article's been reiterated a few other times, I think by Bloomberg. Pretty much reiterating the same thing, saying China's government is going to do this. Well, if you look at all the other exchanges, Chinese exchanges, OKCoin, they're operating as normal. No statements coming from them. They've said they haven't received anything from the government. So as of right now, everything's still up in limbo. That's pretty much how the market is reacting right now. If you look at the trading volumes right now, out of China, they're actually increasing, especially person to person, which you would think would happen if there was the threat of exchanges going down. Person to person Bitcoin trading for cash or Chinese currency would be common. So I think that's going to have an effect on the market prices as we continue down the road. Depending on what China's going to do, I think the price is just going to sit and hover up and down, and once we finally get an announcement, it'll do something, up or down depending on the announcement. If we don't get an announcement, then the price will most likely go up, because that's what's happened in the past. When there was the threat of China, the price of Bitcoin would do this for a little bit, and then finally it would go on its normal route, which I think is going to happen. So that brings me to the next coin I want to talk about. It's NEO, and its price has actually been doing similar thing. There's been a bigger dump because of the ICO temporary ban until they can get regulations in place. So that, yes, that definitely affected NEO. But there is an upside to it as well. You got to think that NEO has digital identifications, as I said before, and has always worked to be compliant with governments. So I don't think they're going to be one of the ICOs that are banned. I think China is just trying to sweep the floor and clean it out and start anew with some companies and technologies that they can vet behind and take their own piece of the pie as well, which, you know, that's what they want to do. Every government wants to do. So not all Chinese coins have been affected. Actually, Walton Coin, I told you guys to invest yesterday. It's shot up a good amount, so hopefully you guys got in. I'm going to keep holding my Walton. I definitely see potential in the product and the team, so viewers, I hope you invested and listened to my advice. Next one I want to talk about, I think they're pretty much garbage. I hate Qtum. They were able to come to a $500,000 company with basically no product, just through marketing, which is a pretty impressive feat in its own. But the price has been pumping. They're almost up to a $900 million market cap as of right now. And that's mostly coming from the fact that they're releasing their mainnet tomorrow. With the mainnet, they actually have a product, and I'm not going to hate on them until I see the product. I definitely might invest if there is value behind Qtum, but I think that value is going to be minimal in my personal opinion, but we'll wait and see. I'm definitely going to check it out, and I'll let my viewers know. Finally, The last thing I want to talk about is the ICO I invested in. I did a video about it, only got like 900 views, which I expected. It's not a very popular coin out on the internet, and I like to take high risks. I don't throw too much money in there with these high risk ones, but I just like to dabble in it, see what happens. So the coin I'm talking about is the Russian mining coin. If you don't know about it, it's a Bitcoin colored coin that gives you access rights to a percentage of the mining profits from a group of miners that this Russian company is building, or a group of companies are building. It's called the Sunrise Miner. So you get a percentage of the profits based off of, or percentage of the mining profits based off of the number of coins you hold. So 20% of the mining from each of these miners is going to be allocated to the RMC group, which are the coin holders. So there's passive income, if it all comes to be, which is one of my things I look for the most in the coins. I want to build a crypto folder that in 5 years I'll be chilling and it'll be making me a good monthly salary. And I think Russian mining coin has the potential for that. Also, you are given rights through the coin appreciation. So if everything goes to plan and they start mining operation in Russia that ends up taking a good percentage of the mining power from China, we could definitely see each of these coins producing a healthy profit each year. One of the bigger things is they are producing a multi-clet miner, which is a new upgraded version and has a new chip. I don't know the exact specifications off the top of my head, but supposedly it's going to be 20 to 300 times more powerful than what's out there on the market today. And this chip is not going to be used to mine Bitcoin. It is going to be used to mine Ethereum and other cryptos like that. So there's an opportunity to get one of those. If you hold one RMC, you do get one multi-clit miner, unless the value of one of the RMC you own, say you own a half, it appreciates to the value of multi-clit. You'll be able to trade it in. So it's good economy they have building out of the coin. Russia is due to have a bigger coin than Golos, or I think Waves is kind of Russian. So they're due for a bigger coin, and I think this is one of the ones that's going to have most following. The team of backers is very solid. Here's a picture of the team right now. They have connections. So it's going to be a coin you definitely want to look out for. So again, viewers, I thank you for watching. My name's Tyler of Chico Crypto. Have a great night.